Hey, Paul Coot Williams here with HT Enterprises. Got the new E-drill. This is an 8-inch. It adapts to your electric drill. We highly recommend brushless drills. I don't care if you have Milwaukee or DeWalt, but make sure it's brushless. So I'm going to try drilling this 8-inch hole once here. Wow, that is pretty nice.